Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode of Product Critique. Today, we've got something truly special for all you lawn enthusiasts out there.
If you've got artificial turf and you're tired of spending hours manually cleaning it, then listen up because we've found the ultimate solution for you.
Introducing the GreenSweep Artificial Grass Sweeper Rake Vacuum with a 45-liter collection bag and 5 adjustable heights.
This beauty from RGS Living is designed to make your lawn maintenance a breeze.
Now, let's talk about what makes the GreenSweep the best lawn sweeper for artificial turf on the market. First off, let's talk about efficiency.
The GreenSweep is powered by a 1800W motor, making it capable of clearing large areas quickly and efficiently. With its 35,000 RPM spinning brush roller, it plumps up flattened and matted lawn fibers to restore volume and fullness.
But wait, there's more.
The GreenSweep isn't just a sweeper, it's a vacuum too. That's right. Simply plug in the power cord, flick the switch, and watch as this self-propelled device does all the hard work for you. And let's not forget about convenience. The GreenSweep comes equipped with a large 45-liter collection bag, reducing the need for frequent emptying. Plus, it's lightweight, easy to assemble, and maneuverable, making lawn care a breeze.
So, if you're tired of spending hours manually cleaning your artificial turf, it's time to invest in the GreenSweep. With its powerful motor, adjustable height settings, and large collection bag, it's the best lawn sweeper for artificial turf on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest and greatest products.
Until next time, happy sweeping!